Hello, fellow alchemists. Welcome back to our series on using Phoenix and Elixir. I wanted to show you guys how we can actually set up some blocking for certain pages so they don't get indexed by Google. So I ran into something recently with a client of ours, and they wanted to basically stop indexing some pages which contain some private information about people. It's not necessarily something that people cannot see, but just that Google's indexing them. So if they ever search about this person, they'll show up on this website. But in case you may have also like an admin section that you probably don't want to be searched online, so people don't want to go to your administrative section and try to break in or something like that. So actually being able to block pages from Google indexing them is probably something that's quite important. And so I went ahead and started to, I created a page called basically no index. And on this page in particular, we want to block Google from actually indexing this page. And there's a couple of ways to do this. And what I kind of like to do is, well, there's one way to do it, which is that you can add a meta tag to the page. But then you have to remember to show and hide that meta tag, etc. I suppose you could use an assigns. But for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a response header. So if we pull out this con over here, we can then pipe this into put response header. And what you need to include is basically this x robots tag, and put the value of no index. Pipe this in here, and then remove this. So there's a couple different values in here. So there's no index is going to be basically just no index the page. There's another one called no follow. So that means that even if they go to the page, they can actually follow the links on there and actually keep indexing. And there's also none. So none just means don't index it and don't follow any of the links on this page. So I'm just going to use no index for now, just to kind of get this thing going. And then what we need to do is, that's basically it. So now the next step is, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to Firefox and show you guys that if I go to this page, you see, and this is the page by default. If I refresh over here, oops, sorry, I still need to turn on the server. So just turn on the server very quick. And so if I refresh the page, you see basically there's no difference, right? But if I just go to inspect, and I can check out this request inside of network. So you're not going to see anything over here, but I request this. This no index is what we need to take a look at. And you see over here within the response headers, we'll have this X robots tag, no index. So that's what we just set. So then you can see this. So that's how you can stop Google from indexing certain pages you don't want people to find by searching your website. So this is Alan from Plangora. Please subscribe if you haven't. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye. Hi, please feel free to ask us any questions about Elixir, Flutter, or anything else in programming. Here's our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll answer your questions every Friday. Ya mantai ge dak man all. Yo wenti ji da wen wo.